Today I'm gonna show you the AI NOC, which I programmed last month based on the long graph and the multi-agent structure. So this system consists of three modules. One is the NOC dashboard, which is where the AI agent is a working place. And the second tab is the CMDB topology. Here I use a small enterprise company as an example. So this company has two sites, one hub site with server farm and one remote office with only routers, switches, and users. And the third module is the mock ServiceNow server. This one is to simulating our Syntel's ITSM, which we are using ServiceNow, and I use the full functional API, but the server is running on my laptop just to simulate the real ServiceNow services. And here now let's try to inject one small issue, which is the disk-full issue on the database server. And we can see the incident has been injected. Yeah, here is the simulator. So because I don't have a full network and server farm, so I just simulate these issues on my laptop. And let's wait several seconds till the incident has been detected. Now the incident has been detected and the service now create a ticket. And as soon as it's in the incident is detected, the system will dispatch the customer communication agent to send a email alarm to the customer. And at the same time, it will delegate different diagnostic agent to diagnosing the issue from different angle parallelly, so the diagnosing process can be much faster. And because of this one is a relatively small issue, so it has been automatically resolved. So we can see here the auto resolved +1. And now let's also try to simulate a more critical issue, which is a BGP down on the router. And we can see the first issue has been resolved, and we send over the reservation email to the customer, and also the root cause analyze and the RFO report for outage has been created automatically. And now the second issue, because this one is a BGP done, so we can see the second office has been totally offline, and the router has been in red. And because of this one is more critical and it classified as a P1 incident. Similarly, the system delegate a different diagnostic agent to perform the diagnosing. And because this one is critical and not able to be resolved, so let's see, maybe it will escalate to the human activity, to the tier 2. It's still diagnosing. Okay, you can see here it has been escalated to tier 2 because it cannot be resolved automatically. Yeah, and you can see the customer email has been sent. And now it hand over to tier 2, but it will still be the companion. Let me check what happened. Because the agent himself, he will record the memories of this link, and if he will also search the memory if the similar issue has been happened before. So it will help the tier 2 engineer. Yeah, we can see here the ISP notification has been sent over to the local supplier. So they will ask whether there is faulty on the access link. Let me try again because previously the agent hasn't been ready. And let me ask the tier 2 companion assistant what happened. Because I'm using a cheap model, so the reacting time is relatively longer. So if I can use it respond, it seems that the BGP is done is on idle status, and the CPU is quite high. So let me ask, should I restart the router? And you can see it sent again the follow-up email to the ISP. Let's see what he will respond. Whether should I restart the router? And because now I'm simulating the human escalating, so it will hand over to human to the tier 2 engineers. So it will not resolve the issue automatically. Yeah, it will support me to do so, to do the further diagnose. And now let's imagine that the tier 2 engineer has resolved the issue, or the local supplier has restored the access link. Let's hit the resolve button, and as soon as the service is restored, it will send over the notification to the customer saying the service is restored, and we can also have a check this root cause analyze, and the lesson learned, and also the report for outage, yeah, to the customer. So basically that's all what I want to share today. So if I got longer time, next time I can go a more deep dive into the system. So this one has been ready for testing and for POC. Thank you.